We have another type of formula to look at. The first one we looked at was how to find a probability, proportion, area, percentage. This is to find the value. And to find the value, it's norm.s.inv and then the area to the left in decimal form. So let's talk about that. That can be tricky. Let's say I have, I'm examining the top 10%. Draw my picture. That means I put 10% over here. Well, if there's 10% over here, there's 90% over here because they add up to 100%. And this is the value we're trying to find. And I'll abbreviate it. Area to the left, ATL, is 0.90. So again, the area to the left of this line. So you add up all the decimal over here. Now, if they refer to the bottom 20%, that means that we got 20% over here, and this would be 80% over here because it all adds up to 1. This is the value we're trying to find. The area to the left here, again, I'm looking at the area to the left of this line, would be 0.20. Sometimes they refer to in a problem the middle 95%. So if I put 95% in the middle, now all adds up to 100%. So if I got 95% in the middle, that means I got 5% split into my tails. And I split it evenly, so this will be 0.025, and this will be 0.025. But now if we examine our area to the left here, for this first line here, the area to the left is 0.025. That's pretty self-explanatory. For this one, a little bit different. We're looking at this line right here. The area to the left of it is 0.025 and 0.95, so you have to add them. So that gives you 0.975. That's kind of the hard part on these problems, determining your area to the left. So you have to do the formula twice here. Well, let's take a look at this. Area to the left is 90%. Remember, we're working with norm SINV. This specifically only applies when you get standard normal. So equals norm.s.inv, and I'm putting in the 90%. That's this first one right here. Press enter. That would be my answer. This next one, norm.s.inv. We're passing in 20%. And press enter. That would be our answer. This next one, norm.s.inv. Like I said, we have to do 2, so we'll do 0.025 first. That'd be our first answer. And then norm.s.inv. And then this one, again, I'm passing in the area to the left, all of it, which is 0.975. And that gives us our second answer. So some of them will ask you for one value, some of them will ask you for two values. Now here they're doing the opposite again. They're giving us the probability, the percentage, the proportion, the area that goes in our picture, and we have to find this value underneath. And that's how to find those with Google Sheets.